My name is Alex Joos. I'm the CEO of Grupios. It's a family-owned company founded by my grandfather in 1935. Personalized print used to be giving a name and an address, and maybe, let's say, versioning was at that time very important. Over the years, technology evolved, and also customers prepared their databases, and they want to make use of it. Typical customers for us are still marketeers that use direct mail to attract customers to sell their products and services. Agencies are often in between of that, and so everything begins for us with the briefing we get from the agency or from the end customer. Also in that stage, we try to give our input to our customers to say what they can do, because it's unlimited. We work together with a large retailer to develop a coupon book where, let's say, we do not offer the same coupon or the same value or the same points to every customer, but we can personalize it using the data that is generated daily in their shops by the end customer. Personalization is only one way to work with this technology. Versioning, small runs, print on demand, are typically other, let's say, applications which are traditional or which can be used on this type of technology. And for that, we have given our customers a portal fully personalized on their behalf, with all their content in, and with a small, with only a button away, they can order it, and we will print it on demand. If you want to go to personalized print, you of course need the necessary software for templating, for variable data and variable images, where we use, let's say, special technology as Quadient for doing so. But on the other hand, also what is very important is color management. Of course, we work with inkjet technology, where ink is a cost, is an important cost, and managing not only quality but also the use of the ink is important. Prisma helps us with that, doing that color management. The ProStream is part of, let's say, a full set of possibilities to come to a white paper concept. That is not only letterheads but also booklets, flyers, point of sales equipment, books. These are all possibilities to produce on the ProStream. Where before there could be some discussion and that other technologies were better, offset or others, I think we come to a point that quality really is not an issue anymore. The fact that we can use different types of substrates from 60 to 300 grams gives also the advantage to move productions smaller or larger on different types of substrates, let's say, very confident to this technology. With a partner as Canon, of course, we come a long way. We did that journey together, and I think that's also important to choose yourself a partner on which you can rely, work together, and make that journey together. I think our biggest challenge is to put a place or set a place or a spot for communication and print in that marketing and communication mix. I think everybody knows that an only digital communication is not working, and that only paper is not working at the same time. So it's really that mix that is important. And not only for big runs, because a lot of our customers think, or a lot of agencies or marketeers think, that we need large volumes to start producing something on paper. And that's not true. Even a one-on-one, an instant, like we call an instant of communication, is possible with this type of technology. And proving that, and making it worthwhile, and giving, let's say, paper and print and personalized print place in that communication mix is something that's an eye-opener for a lot of marketeers these days.